Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change fonts in Instagram bio. First you need to open the Instagram. Here go to the profile tab and then click on the edit profile button. Here you can find the bio. Then go to the some browser on your phone. Here go to the site IG fonts. IO. Here you can add some text here, then scroll down. For example, text. And here we can choose some text in some font you need. For example, this. I copy this text, hold it, and then click on the copy. Then go to the Instagram again, and here add to the bio this text. Or you can just hold and paste. And then click on the check mark on the top right, and then click on it again, and as can we see, my profile have this bio in this font. This all for today. Goodbye.